Hello everyone. So welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to explore the RSI together. So before we go on to install our RSI, there are points. There are two important points that I want you to note. Number one, indicators are not magic, and we use them to support what we have already established by price action. Point number two, what we are going to discuss in this video can be used for stocks, currency trading, crypto trading, synthetic index trading, etc. This is because price action stays consistent across all instruments. So let's go on to install our charts. So what are we going to cover in this video before we go on to install our charts? We are going to cover what is RSI, what does it stand for, how does it come up with this, with the levels, and also we're going to explore some strategies, that is for trend following, for to confirm the trend bias, and so on, and also the traditional method of using the RSI, but we are going to modify it a little bit so that it can improve our winning rate. So what is the RSI? So RSI, sorry, excuse me, RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, and it is often used to identify overbought and oversold markets. So the RSI, the period 14 that we are going to use RSI period 14, and the RSI period 14 analyzes 14 past candlesticks, meaning how many bullish and how many bearish candles. So let's go on to install our RSI so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So when you are using MetaTrader 5 on mobile, on PC, sorry, on MetaTrader 5 PC, you go to insert, then indicators. On indicators you see oscillators, then a relative strength index. We are going to use period 14. Yes, there we have it. This is the RSI at the bottom of our charts. So as I was saying, the RSI analyzes candlesticks. This period 14, as you can see, it is written RSI 14. It analyzes candlesticks, 14 past candlesticks, and come up with the percentage. So if you see that the RSI is above the 50 period, it shows that there are more, for the past 14 candles, there are more bullish candles than bearish candles, which means it is a bias market. And then when we see that the RSI is now below period 50, it shows us that there are more sellers than buyers, so we should be looking for selling opportunities. And traditionally, when the RSI hits the 70 period, it shows us that the market is overbought, and we should be looking for selling opportunities. And some will immediately place a sale, but I don't encourage you to place a sale right away. So I'll show you how we can do it. And the opposite, some say if it hits the 30 period, then we should be looking for buying opportunities, like in this case. So before we go on to the strategy section, I would like to inform you about the ultimate guide to price action trading. This is the ultimate guide to forex trading. This is one of our online courses that you can enroll on our website. In this course, you learn trend trading. In the ultimate guide to forex trading, you learn the trading foundation. You learn advanced price action trading, swing trading strategies, day trading strategies. So this online course is for everyone. as it caters from all the basics of trading, meaning everything you need from beginner to end, so that you can easily apply the advanced strategies, advanced price action that will teach you, because we will teach you advanced price action and techniques that you take to your trading to the next level. So please note, these techniques took us 10 plus years to refine, and are all laid in this or is laid in this program. Then you also will learn swing trading strategies and day trading strategies. You can enroll from our website, that is forextrading.capitalgains.co.zw. I will leave the links in the description, as well as the brokers that we use and recommend. We will also leave the links in the description below. So without me wasting much of your time, let's go on to today's video. Sorry. So traditionally, when the RSI hits the 70 period, we are looking for selling opportunities, but we don't immediately place a sell the soon it hits the 70 period. So what can you do? You can check if this area is near a you can check if this area is near a major key level, that is if it is near a support or resistance. As you can see, this area is not near any major key level, that is support or resistance. So what can we do? On the previous trend, that is the uptrend, we draw a short-term trend line. So we can draw a short-term trend line like this. As you can see that we have drawn our very nice trend line. So when can you enter? You can enter when this trend line is now broken. As you can see that this trend line, the breaking of this trend line signifies that it confirms that we are in a downtrend. As you can see that it was broken here, then you can enter your trade. So this is the one way you can enter a trade, or rather you can use a moving average. I personally use the moving average period 20, so that it can help you to confirm that is now the bullish bias over yet. So let me insert my yes. As you can see that, so using the moving average, you can see that when the price goes breaks the moving average and goes below the moving average, it confirms that we are now in a downtrend bias, so we should be placing our sell orders. So as you can see that this area can be is an area of confluence, is the moving average was also broken in this area, as well as the trend line was also broken at this area. So this is one way you can enter your trade using the overbought and oversold zones. So let me now look for, in this case, you can see that the RSI is our 30 period. You don't immediately place a sell there, as sometimes our price will fail to change direction. So what can we do? You can either use the moving average period 20. As you can see that you can have your entry, your nice entry here, or you can draw a short-term trend line. So let's see how we can draw it. So as you can see that we now have our trend line and it was broken here, then you can have your nice entry. So this is how you can use the overbought and oversold zones to enter your trade. As you can see that I told you that at times it can hit the 70 period and it will not reverse. As you can see that price is the 70 period here. that is this area, but it continued up until here, and a downtrend never occurred. So this is one way So drawing the trend line and using the moving average, you can choose one of the two, or you can use both. Using these two methods to confirm trend bias will also help you in times when a market never reverses, because there are times when the market never reverses. So I encourage you to first have confirmation before you can use the overbought and oversold zone like it is used traditionally. So number two, which you can let's see what's happening. Okay, let's go on to method number two, which you can use to enter your trades using the RSI. Let me see where I can see it. Number two method is drawing a the number two method is drawing the using the RSI as drawing trend lines on the RSI. Yes, we can draw trend lines on the RSI to confirm our trend to look in order to look for entries. Let's see if you can draw a nice trend line here. Yes, as you can see that we have our nice trend line, which if it touches one, touch two, three, then and on the fourth touch, you will see that we have a is using the you can check out my video on how to draw trend lines and how to use trend lines, but this video was on the main chart. So I'm saying you can use also the method that I used on the main chart on the RSI. As you can see that we have our first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth, and the fourth touch we have a price reversal that is a downtrend. So you can use that also to confirm to as your trade entries. As you can see that you can enter here and all this profits in the downtrend. So this is also how you can draw it, or even on the uptrend it also applies. As you can see that you can draw our trend line like this, then first touch, second touch, third touch, we enter our trade. As you can see, price reversed into an uptrend. So but this method, if you are a beginner or you want to be more conservative, I would prefer that you use the first line, which we will draw the first method in which you draw a trend line and and use a moving average when the price is the oversold and the overbought zone. But if you would like to take it a step further, you can use this trend line strategy. Let's see where we can find another trend line, or using both methods to see which one works best for you. In this case, as also you can see that we can have our trend line drawn like this. In this case, we only have two touches. I don't encourage you to enter using two touches only. This one, let's leave it. So there are times when you cannot draw a neat trend line. Please stay away from the chart. So please guys, in my next video I'll be sharing with you how to use the divergence trading strategy, which is a more advanced way of using the RSI when price will be conflicting with the RSI. That is another method of using the RSI, but I will do it in my next video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe if you have seen this video, and also you can share it with your friends, and hit the notification bell, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that you will not miss future videos. So stay blessed, put stay blessed, and always to use risk management, proper risk management, so that to avoid blowing your accounts. See you in my next video.